How do y'all? Old SideBurn Bandit here. We starting a new job today. We're doing rock on a fireplace, and insert. I flipped around quick and show y'all real quick what we're working with. All right, y'all see that? We're going to be putting rock over that, and he's wanting to give it a little bit of a detail, so we're going to be casing that out for a 2x4 wall, and you'll see it when it's done. But she's going to come together pretty good, y'all. Y'all stick around and see how she do. Y'all didn't know we were stonemasons too, did you? SideBurn Bandit at. Alright, y'all, we got our plywood on the back there. We're getting ready to put our backer board on, so we get ready to put the stone on it. And we're going to put the mantle right yonder. That mantle's going to go on right up there. And see, we framed this out so it's got a little detail in there. See, 3.5. You can see it right there on that wall. We got a little wall in there, but we just showing y'all another view, and we're gonna get back at it. Now, I'm sorry, y'all, but once we get going good, I got a tripod. I want to try to get it set up. All right, SideBurn Bandit, y'all we get back at it. Gotta get it. Oh,
crazy about his shine as man. About a shark ass man.
alright, y'all, old SideBurn Bandit here. I'm trying this voiceover again. Y'all let me know if y'all like the music or not a second ago, because I'll do some more of that. Especially trying to speed these shots up. But, like I was telling you earlier, this Durock, we're doing that so we can stick for our mortar and stick the rock to it. If you don't use that Durock, you can run wire to the plywood, and you taking the wire up with roofing nails, and then you just you mud that, then you can stick your rock right to that, But we'd rather do it this way. With me having to speed all these shots up, that's why I'm having to do this voiceover again. But real quick, y'all, we didn't build this thing. It's driving me crazy. I don't know why they didn't center that darn fireplace, y'all. But it's like, I don't know. But still, you go back to other people's work. You can only do as good as you get. You start good, you finish good. That's what I tell everybody. You can start bad and finish good. It's just a lot that darn harder. But hey, real quick, y'all, I was thinking about starting to do something called every week do something called the Bandit Breakdown, where I go over all the work week. Y'all can ask me questions and we'll talk about it. I'll do them live. Y'all comment, let me know if it's something that y'all be interested in, and let me know how we're doing. Y'all comment, like, and subscribe, and y'all come join the crew. I think that's about all I got to say for now. Ain't nothing like pure satisfaction, y'all. Another day down. We got her prepped up. Tomorrow we putting stone on it. I'll flip it around for you. Give y'all a look at the prep. See, we got all the door right run. That's as far as we're going up from now, because up there we got to put the mantle, and right there's that mantle. It'll sit up there. Let me zoom out some. There we go. And y'all see, this right here is going to be the stone that we put on the top here. And then this right here is going to be the kind that goes on the wall like that. So that's how that's going to be. And then, right here we'll have some that they get stacked up like that down through there. But y'all see what y'all think. Comment, subscribe, and y'all join the crew. Look at that old buck. Boy, he got some nice ones on the wall. All right, y'all have a good evening. Ain't nothing like pure satisfaction. Gotta get it, bo.